This is the complete guide to ElevenLabs, the AI voice platform used by Spotify, The Washington Post, HarperCollins publishers, and millions of creators worldwide. ElevenLabs generates the most natural-sounding AI speech available, clones any voice from 1 minute of audio, dubs video into 29 languages, and lets you build real-time voice AI agents. By the end of this video you will know every ElevenLabs feature, how to clone a voice and what makes a clone high quality, how AI dubbing works and when it is the right choice, how to design a brand new voice from nothing, how to build a voice agent with conversational AI, how ElevenLabs compares to every major alternative, every pricing plan, and the real workflows creators and businesses are running with it. Let us get into it. ElevenLabs was founded in 2022 by Pyotr Dubkovsky and Maty Stanishevsky. The company reached unicorn status in 2023 after raising $80 million, valuing it at $1.1 billion. It is used by some of the world's largest media organizations: Spotify for podcast transcription and audio, The Washington Post for news audio, HarperCollins for audiobook production, and game studios for character voice generation at scale. The platform supports 32 languages with over 1,000 voices, and is consistently rated the best AI voice generator for naturalness and emotional expressiveness. Voice cloning works from as little as 1 minute of clean audio and produces a clone that captures the tone, pace, accent, and texture of the original speaker. AI dubbing preserves the original speaker's voice across 29 target languages. The full API with Python and JavaScript SDKs makes ElevenLabs a production-grade platform for developers and enterprises building voice into their own products. Let me walk through every major ElevenLabs feature. Text-to-speech, over 1,000 voices across 32 languages with the highest naturalness rating in the category. Select a voice, paste your text, and generate speech in seconds. Voice cloning, the defining feature. Upload 1 minute of clean audio and ElevenLabs creates an instant clone. For even higher fidelity, train a professional clone with more audio. Voice design, describe a voice you want in plain language, 30-year-old American woman, calm and authoritative, and ElevenLabs generates that voice from scratch. No recording, no sample, just a text description. AI dubbing, upload any video or audio file and dub it into 29 languages while preserving the original speaker's voice characteristics. Projects, a full long-form production pipeline for audiobooks and podcasts, with chapter management and voice assignment. Sound effects, generate custom sound effects from a text description: footsteps on gravel, rain on a tin roof, sword impact. Conversational AI, build real-time voice agents for phone calls and web with sub-second response latency. And the voice library, browse and add over 1,000 community-created voices to your account in one click. Voice cloning is ElevenLabs' most powerful feature and it is worth understanding in detail before you use it. Instant voice clone, upload as little as 1 minute of clean audio and ElevenLabs creates a clone in seconds. It is available on every plan including the free tier. The clone captures the tone, pace, accent, and vocal texture of the original. Professional voice clone produces higher fidelity output by using more training audio and a deeper fine-tuning process. It is available on Creator Plan and above. The most important factor for clone quality is audio cleanliness. No background music, no room echo, no other voices, no compression artifacts. Clean audio produces a dramatically better clone than longer noisy audio. For the best results, record the voice speaking naturally in the target language. Clones do not translate well across languages, so record in the language you intend to generate speech in. The most common use cases are audiobook narration in your own voice, video narration that sounds like you without re-recording, and creating a consistent voice identity across all your content. Critical, only clone voices you own or have explicit permission to clone. ElevenLabs monitors for misuse and has usage policies in place. Here is how to get started with ElevenLabs from scratch. Step 1. Go to ElevenLabs.io and create a free account. Email or Google login, 10,000 characters per month, no card required. Step 2. Go to text-to-speech and choose a voice from the library. Browse by language, gender, age, and use case. Preview each voice before selecting to make sure it fits your content. Step 3. Paste your script into the text field.
Up to 5,000 characters per generation on the free plan.
Use natural punctuation, it directly affects how the AI pauses and breathes. Step 4. Adjust the stability and similarity sliders in voice settings. Higher stability produces more consistent output across long pieces. Lower stability produces more expressive and varied speech. Test both on a short sample before committing to a full generation. Step 5. Click Generate and preview the audio. Generation takes 5 to 15 seconds. Always listen before downloading. Step 6. Download as MP3, or use the share link for direct embedding. Step 7. Try cloning your own voice. Go to Voices, click Add Voice, select Instant Clone, and upload 1 minute of clean audio. Your voice clone is ready in seconds. Here is how to dub a video into another language using ElevenLabs. Step 1. Go to Dubbing in the ElevenLabs sidebar. Dubbing is available from the starter plan at $5 per month. Step 2. Upload your video or audio file, or paste a YouTube URL directly. ElevenLabs supports MP4, MP3, WAV, and direct links to YouTube and other video platforms. Step 3. Select the source language of the original content. ElevenLabs detects it automatically but always confirm before proceeding. Step 4. Select the target language or languages. You can dub into multiple target languages in a single job. Step 5. Choose whether to preserve the original speaker voices. With voice preservation enabled, the dubbed audio maintains the speaker's vocal characteristics in the new language. Step 6. Submit the dub job. Processing typically takes 2 to 10 minutes depending on video length. Step 7. Preview and download the dubbed video. Download the new audio track separately, or as a combined video file with the dubbed audio already embedded. Voice design is one of the most underused ElevenLabs features and one of the most powerful for brand and content work. You describe a voice in plain English and ElevenLabs generates it from nothing. No sample audio, no recording, just a text description. To get the best results, be specific across 5 dimensions. Age, give a specific range, 25 to 30, not just young. Gender and how it presents. Accent, British, neutral American, Australian, regional specifics if relevant. Tone, warm and reassuring, authoritative and direct, energetic and upbeat. And energy level, slow and deliberate, conversational, fast-paced. A well-written description might read, a 35-year-old British woman, warm and authoritative, slightly husky voice, calm measured pace, sounds like a podcast host. Generate 10 variations from the same description because each generation produces a different voice. Save the best one to your voice library for consistent use across all your content. Voice design is the fastest way to create a distinctive brand voice without ever needing to record a single person. ElevenLabs Projects is the long-form audio production pipeline built for audiobooks, podcasts, and serialized content. You import a full manuscript or document and Projects splits it into chapters automatically. Each chapter can have different voices assigned to different speakers or characters, making multi-character audiobook production practical without a recording studio. When a line needs to be regenerated, you edit the transcript and regenerate just that section without redoing the entire chapter. The quality review mode lets you listen through the output and flag specific lines for regeneration in one pass. Export chapter by chapter for individual uploads, or merge everything into a single audio file. Publishers like HarperCollins are using Projects to produce audiobooks at a fraction of traditional studio costs and in a fraction of the time. Team collaboration features on higher plans let multiple people work on the same project simultaneously. ElevenLabs Conversational AI lets you build real-time voice agents that speak and respond with sub-second latency, making conversations feel natural rather than robotic. In the ElevenLabs interface, you configure the agent's voice from your library, write a system prompt that defines its personality and behavior, and connect it to any knowledge base or data source so it answers from real, accurate information. Deploy the agent to phone calls, embed a web widget on your site, or connect it to your own application through the API. The agent handles interruptions naturally, stopping immediately when the user speaks rather than continuing over them. The same agent can operate across multiple languages by switching based on the user's detected language. The most common use cases are customer service automation, appointment booking, lead qualification, and first-line support that routes complex issues to human agents. Basic agents can be built with no code entirely in the ElevenLabs interface. Complex custom deployments use the full API and SDKs. Who is ElevenLabs built for? Content creators are the largest individual user group. They use voice cloning to generate voiceover for videos in their own voice without sitting in front of a microphone for every piece of content. Podcast producers use projects to generate audio content without a full recording session, particularly for solo episodes, summaries, and filler content. Publishers and authors use ElevenLabs for audiobook production, dramatically reducing the cost and time of the traditional studio process. Game developers use the API to generate character voices at scale for large NPC dialogue libraries. Marketing teams use AI dubbing to localize campaign video and audio into multiple markets without re-recording. Enterprises build customer-facing voice agents for support and sales using conversational AI. And developers integrate ElevenLabs into their own products via the API, adding voice capabilities to apps, tools, and platforms. Here is what people are actually building with ElevenLabs right now. A YouTuber clones their voice once and generates all their video narration without sitting at a microphone, dramatically increasing the pace at which they can publish. A publisher produces a 12-hour audiobook in 2 days instead of the 2 weeks a studio session would take. A game studio generates 5,000 NPC voice lines from 8-character voice clones via the API, something that would have required months of casting and studio time. A podcast team dubs their English language show into Spanish and German with the host's own voice in each language. A SaaS company builds a voice agent using conversational AI that handles all Tier 1 support calls around the clock, routing complex issues to human agents. An author uses voice design to create a narrator voice that matches the tone and atmosphere of their book perfectly. An agency dubs client video advertisements into 6 languages for a global campaign rollout, all within the same project week. And a developer builds a personalized bedtime story app with child-safe voice agents that respond to what children ask for. Here is the honest comparison. Versus Muff AI, ElevenLabs has deeper voice cloning capabilities and AI dubbing. Muff has a larger library of pre-built studio-ready voice presets that require no configuration. Versus Play.ht, ElevenLabs consistently scores higher on voice naturalness evaluations. Play.ht supports a broader number of languages in its base TTS library. Versus Descript, ElevenLabs has higher clone quality and full AI dubbing. Descript is a full audio and video editing suite with voice correction built in. Versus Resemble AI, ElevenLabs has a more accessible interface and a faster end-to-end workflow for most use cases. Resemble AI gives developers more granular control over custom model training. Versus Microsoft Azure TTS, ElevenLabs is simpler to use and produces more natural-sounding voice output for consumer and creator use cases. Azure provides enterprise-scale SLAs and compliance features. Versus Google TTS, ElevenLabs leads on voice quality, cloning, and agent capabilities. Google TTS is more cost-effective at very large API call volumes. The honest summary, ElevenLabs is the clear choice when voice quality, cloning accuracy, AI dubbing, and conversational AI are the priority. 8 tips that consistently improve ElevenLabs output. 1. Use punctuation deliberately to control pace. Commas create short pauses, full stops create longer ones, and ellipses create the longest natural pause. Write for how you want it spoken, not just how you would write it. 2. Start stability and similarity at 50% and adjust for your content. Narration and audiobooks need higher stability for consistency. Conversational and emotional content sounds better at lower stability. 3. For voice cloning, clean audio matters more than length. 1 minute of perfect, quiet, uncompressed audio produces a better clone than 10 minutes of audio recorded in a noisy room. 4. Use SSML break tags for precise pause control. The break tag with a time parameter is more reliable than punctuation for getting exact timing in produced content. 5. Always preview on 3 sentences before generating a full script. Catch problems early before you spend your character quota. 6. Search the voice library before designing a new voice. Someone has usually already created something close to what you need. 7. Use projects for any content longer than a few paragraphs. Pasting a long script into text-to-speech is the wrong tool for long-form work. 8. If you generate the same format every day, automate it via the API. The time saved compounds quickly. ElevenLabs Pricing. The free plan gives you 10,000 characters per month and 3 custom voice slots. Basic text-to-speech is included and works well for testing, but the output carries a watermark and commercial use is not permitted. Starter is $5 per month, making ElevenLabs the most accessible paid voice AI platform available. 30,000 characters, 10 voice slots, commercial use, and AI dubbing are all included. For anyone publishing content or using ElevenLabs in any commercial context, Starter is the minimum plan. Creator is $22 per month. 100,000 characters, 30 voice slots, professional voice clone training, and the full project's pipeline for long-form content. This is the right plan for content creators, podcasters, and authors using ElevenLabs as a core part of their production workflow. Pro is $99 per month. 500,000 characters, 160 voice slots, 44 kHz audio output for the highest quality, and priority processing. For studios, agencies, and businesses generating high volumes of audio. My recommendation: start free to learn the platform. Move to Starter immediately if you want to publish or use commercially. Upgrade to Creator when projects and professional clone become part of your workflow. Here is everything you need. Start at ElevenLabs.io. Free account, 10,000 characters per month, no card required. Move to Starter at $5 when you want commercial use and dubbing. Upgrade to Creator at $22 when you need professional clone and the project's pipeline. Both available at ElevenLabs.io/pricing. If you want preset voices without the cloning complexity, Muff.ai is worth comparing. Link in the description. All links are below. If this guide helped you understand what ElevenLabs can do, subscribe. I publish complete, honest guides to every major AI creative tool every week. Now go clone your voice and see what you can create. See you in the next one.